Growing on Instagram in 2025 is very different from a few years ago because the platform now rewards authenticate short form videos, community driven content, and consistency. Here is a step by step guide you can follow. These are the 5 guide you are going to learn in this video. Number 1, define your niche and personal brand. Number 2, follow algorithm friendly posting strategy. Number 3, engagement hacks. Number 4, optimize for growth. And number 5, consistency and analytics. Step 1, define your niche and personal brand. Pick one clear theme: fashion, fitness, food, travel, education, business tips, etc. Create a style, colors, font, tune of voice. Position yourself as an expert, entertainer, or a storyteller in this space. Here is the step 2. Follow algorithm friendly posting strategy. Post 4 to 5 reels per week. Add 2 to 3 carousels per week. Use stories daily like polls, quizzes, sliders, and reply to comment and DMs quickly. Algorithm boost account that engage. 3. Engagement hacks. Start conversation in comments instead of just thank you. Use saves and shares. Save just for later, share with your friends. Collaborate with similar sized creators in your niche. Join trending audio and memes, but adapt them to your niche. Step 4, optimize for growth. Keep your profile clean. Update your bio according to your niche. Provide other social media or website link in bio. Write a caption regarding to your post or story. Use at least 5 to 10 hashtags on your post. Try to upload trending hashtags. Chances of getting more reach on your post. For SEO friendly content, you need to add captions and alt text while uploading. There are more chances of getting more impression on your post. Step 5, consistency and analytics. Instagram growth is not overnight. You should have patience for 3 to 6 months of hard work. Always check your insights for what your followers are most likes. Always post when your audience is most active in your account. In my case, evening after 5:30 to around 11 to 11:30. You can check your followers active time in your Instagram insights.